Today, let's discuss the XformCommonAPI to understand its utility in the 3D content creation pipeline. This API facilitates the authoring and retrieval of a common set of operations with a single translation, rotation, scale, and pivot that is generally compatible with import and export into many tools. It's designed to simplify the interchange of these transformations. The API provides methods to get and set these transformations at specific times. For instance, it allows the retrieval of transformation vectors at any given frame or timecode, ensuring precise control over the simulation process. There's another way to author and retrieve translations through the USD geom XformAPI function. XformAPI prims support arbitrary sequences of transformations, which gives power users a lot of flexibility. A user could place two rotations on a planet prim, allowing them to control revolution and rotation around two different pivots on the same prim. This is powerful, but complicates simple queries like, what is the position of an object at time 101.0? Here's an example of how to work with the XformCommonAPI in a USD environment. First, import your USD and USD geom libraries. Once you've created a stage and defined a prim, check to see if the XformCommonAPI is compatible with the prim using the bool operator. Then, you can apply the API to the prim and set your operations. Here, we have an operation for the translation, rotation, and scale. These commands demonstrate how to apply translations, rotations, and scaling to a 3D object using the XformCommonAPI. The XformCommonAPI provides the preferred way for authoring and retrieving a standard set of component transformations, including scale, rotation, scale, rotate, pivot, and translation. The goal of the API is to enhance, reconfigure, or adapt each structure without changing the entire system. This approach allows for flexibility and customization by focusing on the individual parts rather than the whole. This is done by limiting the set of allowed basic operations and by specifying the order in which they are applied. Thanks for watching. Check out the following resources and we'll see you in the next lesson.